Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I came back with another haul video. So this is a Mr. DIY haul video. So if you don't know what is Mr. DIY, it's basically a large retailer store where you can get a lot of things. You can get home decoration items, you can get stationery, you can get beauty accessories and a lot more. So I went to Mr. DIY and I came across a bunch of good affordable products. The best thing about them is it's like mini so cute stuff but at an affordable price. So yeah, I bought a bunch of stuff and I'm going to show you what I got. And yeah, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. And please like this video and give it a huge thumbs up and leave your comments down below. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get on into the video. Okay, so I bought a bunch of stuff and they give you this क्या कहते हैं इस मटेरियल को, जो भी हो, they give you this bag, they give you this polythene, but you also have to pay for this. So yeah, that is one thing that you need to look out for. So if you're going to Mr. DIY like any other store, please carry your own paper bags or anything. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff and I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this mirror. So yeah, this is the mirror that I got. It looks like this basically, and this is a huge big mirror and you get this thing that you can hold it for. So yeah, this, I think this was a very good purchase. Okay, and if you want to know how much this cost, this was so affordable. This was right around 120 rupees, but I also got a discount on this. So all the products here are on discount, so you're gonna love it. Next thing that I got is this clutcher. This looks super cute. It is very high quality, I would say. मतलब इस टाइप की क्लचर अगर आप जा रहे हो Forever 21 या you're going to lifestyle, you will get it for at least 200 to 300, and I'm not even kidding. This is so good quality and this was just like 50 bucks. So I would definitely highly suggest you to go and look out for their beauty section. You'll find a huge number of quality varieties in clutchers, in hair bands, in rubber bands. You'll get a lot of things. You will get that beautiful scrunchies, the one that has that ऐसे निकलता है, मतलब it's like in the shape of bow type. So yeah, you get a lot of good things. I absolutely love this और मैंने अपने बाल अभी recently कटवाए थे. So I think this is okay for the size. इससे बड़े की मुझे ज़रूरत है नहीं because मेरे सारे बाल ही नहीं होल्ड करने के लिए. So yeah, I definitely like this. I was super happy when I saw this. I mean, I got nail extensions. These are artificial nails that you can use. I mean, they are of superior quality. I thought कम से कम if you see the nails, if you see the quality, you will see that आपको लगेगा एटलीस्ट ये 400-500 के तो होंगे, बट नो, आई गॉट ईच फॉर ₹100 ओनली. एंड दिस ऑल्सो कम्स विथ नेल टैप्स. नेल टैप्स आर लाइक द थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू फर्स्ट स्टिक एंड उसके ऊपर आप इनको चिपकाते हो. सो आई मीन आई वॉज सुपर हैप्पी. इनमें 24 नेल्स होने थे, बट इसमें है 24, बट इसमें सिर्फ 22 है. क्या पता कहाँ चले गए. और इसमें नेल टैप्स है और इसमें नेल टैप्स नहीं है. सो यू नीड टू लुक आउट फॉर दिस. अ टिप, whenever you go to DIY, बहुत सारे लोग चीज़ें निकाल के ले जाते हैं इसके अंदर से, बट आई डेंट चेक बिकॉज इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस. बट आई विल बी सुपर केयरफुल. तो अगर कुछ भी खरीदे हो उसको आप खोल के देख सकते हो. दिस नो पैकेजिंग, मतलब कुछ सेलो टेप कुछ नहीं था. दिस वॉज लाइक दिस, बट ये एक ही पीस था इस कलर का. सो आई गॉट दिस. और इसमें 24 है, तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो फाइन बिकॉज आई हैव 10 fingers, 10 nails, so that is fine. बट हाँ, इसमें नेल टैब्स भी आते हैं. दिस इज़ सुपर यूज़फुल. अगर आपको नेल पेंट लगाना पसंद नहीं है, अगर आपके नेल्स बड़े नहीं होते, या फिर आपको लगता है कि नेल पेंट आपके नेल्स को ख़राब कर रहा है, दिस इज़ द थिंग टू गो फॉर. सो गॉट दिस 4-way nail buffer. So this is a nail buffer. अगर आपको पता हो, so the steps to use your artificial nails are, you first need to cut them. मेरे नेल्स बड़े हैं but there's no nail paint, so I'm going to cut them soon. कहीं जाऊँगी तो मैं कट करूँगी, वरना मुझे अपने नेल्स कट करना पसंद नहीं है. सो या, नेल्स कट करके यू नीड टू फर्स्ट बफ दैम. ओके, यू नीड टू मेक इट क्या बोलते, थोड़ा सा सैंडी वाला जो होता है ना, क्या कहते हैं उसको, टू मेक देम अ लिटिल रफ. ओके, एंड देन यू नीड टू वाइट okay, so the steps are, first you need to buff them, then you need to wipe it with alcohol wipes, and then you need to put the nail tab and then nails. So that is a step. So I didn't have a nail buffer, so I got a nail buffer as well. So let's see how this works. And if you want a video of how to apply nail extensions, do let me know in the comments down below. I also got this rose wet wipes. This is from Mr. DIY brand. The brand is of Mr. DIY. यहाँ पे आप एक चीज़ देखोगे, आप कुछ भी चीज़ लेने जा रहे हो, सारा Mr. DIY का ही brand है. They don't keep other brands here, so yeah, that's not an issue. And these are around 30 wet wipes, and the MRP was just 80, and I can assure you I got it for less than 50 rupees. So 30 wipes for less than 50 is really good. I mean, I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, and this is rose wipes, so it's not a very क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेल जो यू कांट आपको अपने फेस पे लगाना अच्छा लगता है. सबको फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं पसंद अपने फेस पे. सो या रोज इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन दैट यू कैन गो फॉर. यू कैन अवॉइड लैवेंडर बिकॉज दैट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंट. बट या दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड बिकॉज मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप करती हूँ. मेरे को वीडियोज़ बनाना पसंद है. I like to get ready when I go out, so this comes really handy. I like to keep wet wipes with me because अगर मुझे मतलब I'm shooting a look and I need to change my lipstick, so you need to use a wet wipe. It really comes handy. I really love it. The next thing that I got are some bathroom products. I mean, I needed this. So this is soap holder. अगर आपको पसंद नहीं आपके सोप मतलब पूरा हर जगह लीक वगैरह हो, this is a perfect good thing because it opens like this and you can just close it. That's it. It's really handy to use. I mean, you can just keep your soap here and it's a really of good quality. And this was also around 50 rupees, so everything is super affordable here. I mean, and I love the quality, I love the color, I just love it. Another thing that I got is this bathroom toothpaste holder. So basically it comes with its chupkane wali cheese. You just need to stick it to your bathroom wall and you can just keep all the stuff here. This is of super good quality. As you can see, everything looks really good. And this was also around the MRP states here 170, okay, but I'll leave the discounted price. So what I'll do is I will leave the MRP here and the discounted price as well, so you can see how much of a savings that I got. So yeah, I'll really love this. Next thing I got is this cup. Okay, so this came like this and all the prices I'm going to leave here. Okay, you can find it on the screen itself. So let me just unbox it. Okay, so this is the cup. This is how it looks. I mean, this looks amazing. I think it's of a very superior quality. I noticed this, that all the stuff is really affordable, but they did not, they do not compromise with the quality. So you will get a very good quality on all the products here. I mean, there was a lot of stuff and I wanted to buy like everything, but that was obviously not possible. So I got some things that I really like, but yeah, I'm going definitely there to stock up some more things. So I got this cup and yeah, this is like plastic and this won't break soon. I mean, 2-3 बार तो नीचे गिरा ही सकते हो क्योंकि मेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें गिरती है. I'm very clumsy. So yeah, this is the thing and the color is so pretty. You can see this comes in this beautiful shape and this is so aesthetic. I mean, I want a lot of aesthetic things. So अभी तो मतलब aesthetic चीज़ें ना ऐसे it has become a trend. Okay, so I want a lot of aesthetic things and when I saw this I grabbed it as soon as I can. So I really love this. Next thing that I got are these plates. I mean, मुझे थोड़ा सा plates वगैरह चाहिए थे और जो छोटे साइज़ के होते हैं because if you don't know, I also have a cooking channel. I have a cooking channel on Instagram, so you can follow me there. I will leave the link in the description, so please go through it. And yeah, I post there a lot of cooking recipes as well as some of the new places and restaurants that I like to visit. So yeah, I wanted some some beautiful plates as well. So this small one, this was like the MRP here is 89, but I definitely know that I got this as well for discount. I also got one more, that aesthetic plate. I don't have that now, it's in the sink, but I will include a video of that. So yeah, I really love this and I'm going to stock more soon. Last thing that I got are these kitchen towels. These are three towels that you get for around 90 rupees, but I guess there was some discount as well on this. So yeah, this is of good quality. मतलब आपको किचन में चाहिए रहता है कुछ थोड़े towels, मतलब everything to wipe it off and everything. So yeah, I got in 3 colors, blue, yellow and green. So I think that is good. The quality is also good. So yeah, I think that's it with my Mr. DIY haul. There were a lot of things available there. If you wanted to have, you know, a beautiful garden and a beautiful veranda, you had these pot holders, you had this artificial grass, you had a lot of things there. You will also get this beautiful lunch boxes. One lunch box was in the shape of a burger. So yeah, there were a lot of things. You will get sippers, you will get cute water bottles, you will get a lot of stationery and a lot of accessories. You will get jewelry, you will get a lot of things. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you did, please leave a huge thumbs up and let me know whatever you want to see in the comments down below. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.